Are you ready for a wild, retro, vintage dish? I sure am. And guess what it uses? Campbell's soup. Isn't Campbell's fun? Well, it was one of those things that you could vote for as a product to learn about, but it didn't win. But a certain person really wanted to hear about it, so I thought I better tell you a little bit about it today. I'm going to be making something very unusual. It's called Campbelled Eggs. Look at this advertisement. Doesn't that look unique? It basically just uses 2 ingredients: cream of Campbell soup, any cream of variety, and eggs. Now, Campbell's is very old. It started in 1869. That's more than 150 years old. So the recipe says to use 8 eggs with a can of soup. Well, I want to try 2 different kinds, so I'm going to use 4 eggs with about a half a can of soup. Campbell started as a company making canned veggies, preserves, and condiments. I'm trying cream of mushroom soup with roasted garlic. The company was started by Abraham Anderson, a canning guy, and Joseph Campbell, a preserves gentleman. And cream of chicken with herbs. Whisk that together and mix in a little pepper. In 1897, John Dorrance, part of the Campbell Soup Company, came up with the idea of condensed soup, removing about half of the water. Heat some butter in a pan. Add those eggs. Campbell's was the big sponsor of the TV and radio show Lassie for like 17 years. I'll cook this over low-medium heat until set. Andy Warhol said he loves Campbell soup, hence the reason he made that famous Campbell soup artwork. He loved it so much he said he would drink the stuff, and he said for 20 years he would have Campbell soup for lunch. And you know what? Campbell's didn't mind. All right, time to try it. Let's start with this mushroom garlic one. I'm not a fan of mushrooms. It's pretty great. I like it. It's the garlic. The garlic really shines in that soup. Next, the chicken and herb creamed soup. It is terrific as well. Mainly taste the herbs with the eggs. It's just like an herby egg dish. This is a good dish. It's not just good, it's good. Thank you, Campbell's, for such a wonderful treat. Campbelled eggs, you can make these at your home. So simple. Thanks for watching. My friend Ian Good, he's always talking about how he has to have a bowl of Campbell's every time his team is playing a game because he wants them to win. He's very superstitious.